Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue after reviewing the abbreviations. Here's the cover photo and this is the names of the preparation and now the abbreviations. Now we'll go directly to the steps of HACCP plan. We'll write here a sentence. The 12 steps of HACCP plan divided to 5 primary steps and 7 basic principles. Okay. Make it wider by this case. Let's quickly make it small. Okay. Enter. Number 1 or A. What are the 5 primary steps? Okay. Press enter. Delete. Number 1. The HACCP team. Then we will insert a table. Okay, starting from here. Insert table 5 by 1, many names. Here is the number, or no, okay, we can make number, and here is the name, then the department. Okay, the job title, role, the HACCP plan. Sorry. Okay, you can insert another table. Qualifications, then last one, the experience. Okay, this is the table. Department, job title, role, and qualification. So make this smaller and zoom. Now write the name. Okay, whatever the name you want, or the members of the HACCP plan. Okay. It's all automatic. Okay. Number 1, department, for example, the quality department. Job title, for example, food safety specialist. His role will be HACCP team member. This is first rule. This is a small example. We can make here some bullets. Okay, and modify this by this way and by this way. Okay, HACCP team member. You can also write that he are responsible for food safety or hazards hazard risk assessment. Okay, risk assessment. His qualification, for example, he is a lead auditor, FSSC version 5. Okay, maybe he was a lead auditor also in ISO 2001, wherever you want. Okay, his experience, for example, he was 3 years in company A. Then we can make also this palette. In company A and current company, for example B, which is current company from or within or since 2 years. Thank you very much everybody, and we'll continue the next video inshallah. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and share all your feedback, and thank you again. Goodbye.